Roof cleaning season is coming up and we've got the solution to all your roof cleaning problems. So grab yourself a cuppa like me and let's talk about SkyVac's SkyScraper range. First, I'd like to show you the SkyScraper heads. So, you've got your standard single SkyScraper head to attach either your blade or your brush to. Or, you've got your double head that you can attach a blade to one side and a brush on the other for more versatile and faster cleaning. This double head allows you to easily flip between the blade and the brush and let you get the job done a lot faster. Now let's talk about the SkyScraper blades and brushes. Our packs on our website include various types of blades and brushes for the various types of roof tiles. They are easy to interchange on our SkyScraper heads and allow you to remove moss from the roofs with ease and efficiency. Our speedy brushes are extra wide to allow for easy coverage and are made of tough polypropylene bristles for dislodging roof moss within seconds. Keep all of these tools in our handy SkyScraper bag to easily transport your equipment between jobs. Another handy tool in the SkyVac SkyScraper range is this wire brush. The carbon steel bristles on this brush can get right into the tile edges and overhangs to give you flawless roof cleaning results. This brush comes in two different lengths for your shorter or longer roof profiles, whilst your blades and brushes will clean the surface of the tiles. This brush can get right into the nooks and crannies, including edges, joins, overlaps, roof gables, dormer windows, ridge tiles, chimneys and much more. Another handy addition in the SkyScraper range is our SkySweeper. This ultra thin brush with its steel bristles makes light work of moss removal on flat tiles and will help you to clean up any leftover moss on the roof. It's the perfect add-on for our SkyScraper heads and has the option to upgrade to the hybrid SkySweeper that features polypropylene and steel bristles for those tougher cleans. Now, we can't forget our SkyScraper telescopic poles with 3 heights to choose from. These poles will allow you to clean those roofs safely from the ground. They are easy to use. Simply release the clamps, extend the pole sections to your required height, then tighten and close the clamps. These poles have been constructed from extra strong and lightweight carbon fibre material, making them robust and able to withstand tough roof cleaning at height, without the risk of fatigue and muscle strain from holding the pole aloft for the duration of the project. So that's our SkyVac SkyScraper range. Check out our website using the link in the caption to learn more about our roof cleaning product range. We also hold an unbiased specialist roof cleaning course here at SkyVac HQ in Brackmills, Northampton. This course is the UK's only LANTRA and CPD accredited training course and involves a 4 days training with theory and practical experience throughout, covering everything roof cleaning from roof types, profiles to chemicals and chemical safety. Learn more about our course on our website using the link in the caption or drop us a call. We're always here to help. Cheers.